Yachts under 24 meters are not typically perceived as luxury boats, but with its steel hull, advanced naval design, and full displacement, the Bering 70 is not your typical under 24 yacht. The B-70, a semi-custom displacement boat, is almost 22.5 meters long, with 64.8 metric ton displacement, 74 ton gross tonnage, and 1.33 meters draft at full load. With a cruise speed of 8 knots and a maximum speed of 10 knots, the B-70 has a range of 3,000 nautical miles. Its shallow draft, long range, fuel efficiency, minimal maintenance, and ease of handling by even a small yacht crew makes the Bering 70 an ideal coastal exploring yacht for a family that seeks endless summer adventures at sea. Let's talk about the outer design of this boat. The plumb or reverse-raked bow is a feature seldom seen in a yacht of this size. Not only does it give the yacht a contemporary look, but the absence of a large overhanging bow also leads to the hull slicing through the waves instead of riding up and over, thereby reducing pitch at sea. This results in a smoother, more enjoyable experience at sea for everyone aboard. This stylish motor yacht features a steel hull married to an aluminum superstructure. 2 John Deere 4045 AFM 85 marine propulsion engines, each deliver 200 horsepower at 2,500 RPM. With over 1,800 gallons of gas and more than 260 gallons of whitewater in its tanks, this beauty is ready to go far. Clean, crisp lines and a greater use of fabrics and non-traditional woods suggest a more contemporary designer approach. Featuring high-quality finished materials inside and out, the Bering 70 exudes chic luxury in all its details. From the warm teak in the beach club to the oak furnishings within the main saloon, this is a rarity for yachts of this size. The saloon flows seamlessly forward into the pilot house, creating a tremendous sense of space. Additionally, the use of large glass panels throughout the saloon and the pilot house creates a refreshingly open and airy feeling while aboard. The galley and saloon blend together, creating one large communal area, ideal for entertaining. The galley area and dining table are on the port side, along with a forward L settee. The starboard side cabinetry houses a pop-up flat screen directly across from the settee, which allows you to face the TV directly and comfortably. Like all Bering yachts, the Bering 70 is a semi-custom built boat. Bering's designers work with each client individually to select fabrics, appliances, and galley fixtures to create the best fit possible. This Bering 70 is configured with one large master stateroom, one forward VIP stateroom, and a starboard guest stateroom. A smaller crew cabin is located aft. As steel yachts possess tremendous strength and rigidity, you can select from many different room layouts. The main deck features wide side decks for easier docking. A large sun pad is located just forward of the pilot house. The partially covered cockpit has plenty of open space for setting out deck chairs or relaxing on the settee cushions. Meals can be served on the beautifully finished cockpit table. A large swim platform is located aft. The Lybridge Deck possesses the same modern feel as the rest of the yacht. 2 captain's chairs are mounted forward at the flybridge helm, where guests can join you at the settee and the table that is just aft. A sleek antenna mast carries multiple radar arrays, all necessary communication equipment, and deck lighting. The aft deck is open to place a tender and a powered crane. Beautiful and sturdy from the keel up, the B-70 has been designed to be the ideal vessel for extensive coastal cruising. Please visit our website or stop by one of our offices to find out about this and other models of Bering Explorer yachts.